So there is one issue, which is it better look f***ing good. Hey guys, it's Ollie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fake freckle video that I'm really excited for. So there is one issue, which is it better look fucking good because I'm going to this beach vacation type home tomorrow for a whole week, and I'm also going to vlog that, so if you guys want to check that out. So it does need to look realistic as possible because I just feel like it would look really weird if it was just like big dots all over my face. So if you found this video enjoyable or likable, make sure to like and subscribe, as well as if you want to check out my other social media platforms to check out in the link description box below. I hate saying that because it feels like a mouthful, but let's get started. If I keep looking down here, it's because I have a mirror that I need to look because I'm not this up. I've watched a couple of videos, so I do know what kind of to do. I don't know, we'll see. I'm not a professional at this, that's for sure. So step one is apply the beauty oil on your face. I'm gonna also put some on my upper eyelid because I just want to. If you do want to do this, I recommend getting it off of Etsy, just because on Amazon they actually don't have a lot of natural selection. So natural selection, Charles Darwin, I'm fucking dead. Alright, so we're gonna cut this really small. So let me concentrate because I do not want to mess this up. So you want to actually cut the tip really small as you can, because the smaller the more realistic. So hold on. For those who are wondering why I want to do this, it's just because I need something new. I really don't dye my hair. I don't really do a lot of things to my face, so I wanted to do something that's like fun. Alright, here we go. So this is what I have so far. It's pretty okay. So now that I made a good outline of where I want to put, I'm going to go in between and just kind of like add more and make it look more realistic. So if you haven't noticed, what I did is I actually like went back and made them closer to each other, so it doesn't look like I just like scattered them out on purpose, if that makes sense. I'm doing the same thing to this side. My sister has freckles, so they get super close to each other, and it's not like just like scattered dots, if that makes sense. Like some of them are like 2 in 1, 3 in 1, you know what I mean? So I'm just kind of like replicating that. And then, hey guys, I'm basically done. I'm just gonna go over it, do a couple of touches, but so far you can see it looks pretty cool. So I just gotta wait 6 hours, which is insane. So I'm probably gonna play Fortnite or something. But this is the look right here, as you can see, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna just wait and then, but anyway, I'm just checking in on you guys. I actually have 2 hours and 30 minutes left. But in my description box below, there's going to be a whole list. Oh, not the whole list, but there's going to be a list, and like you can click on that link and it's going to take you to multiple places you can sign petitions and donate for Black Lives Matter. I just feel like it would have been inappropriate if I never really mentioned anything about it or never really been part of the change, and I really want to be. But don't forget, in the link in the description box, there's going to be a link and you can just click on it for everything, especially to sign petitions for Breonna Taylor and everyone who's being affected by this. But anyway, I have 2 hours and 37 minutes, 30 minutes. I'm just gonna be waiting and chilling, and then I'm gonna come back. Alright, so I'm back. Now I do have to take this off, and let's see how it looks. I mean, you can flake it off, I'm pretty sure. So you can flake it off. I'm just gonna go, I'm gonna let you guys go. You'll see the final results tomorrow. I'm gonna take this all off, and yeah.